This photography project explores the theme of symmetry and was awarded 76 out of 96 marks, equivalent to a strong grade 8. It's an impressive, ambitious body of work that shows confident use of technique, consistent development of ideas, and a clear personal voice. The student begins with a thoughtful investigation into the concept of symmetry not just as a visual technique, but as a way to reflect on structure, repetition, and balance in the world around us. Their initial research covers a wide range of photographers including Robert Burden, Zsolt Hlinka, and Orkun Mammadov. Each brings a different perspective, from mirrored landscapes to architectural forms and culturally inspired patterns. This foundation shows a well-informed and consistent response to assessment objective 1, with ideas that are clearly developed and thoughtfully explored. As the project progresses into the image-making stage, the student plans and executes multiple photoshoots. From natural reflections in lakes and buildings to manipulated patterns in household objects. They experiment confidently with camera angles, lighting, and location choices. Their understanding of symmetry grows as they begin to explore more advanced editing techniques, such as flipping, layering, and duplicating elements to create balanced, sometimes surreal outcomes. These stages reflect clear refinement and purposeful experimentation under assessment objective 2. Throughout, there's a strong ability to record and evaluate. The student documents their process with annotated contact sheets, reflects critically on their results, and makes meaningful changes based on those reflections. They're not afraid to identify when something doesn't work, and that critical thinking contributes to the project's strength in assessment objective 3. What really elevates this work is the student's ability to combine influences and create images that feel personal. Their edits often show a blend of all three artists: the mirrored compositions of Robert Burden, the soft, pastel backdrops inspired by Zsolt Hlinka, and the patterned abstraction and smudging techniques of Orkun Mammadov. These combinations are not just stylistic, they're thoughtful, and show a deep understanding of how visual elements can work together. This brings strong marks under assessment objective 4, where outcomes are imaginative, coherent, and clearly relate back to the original theme. In the final edits, there's a confident use of color, symmetry, and visual rhythm. Several images stand out for their emotional tone, blending natural beauty with mystery or surrealism. Across the project, the student demonstrates highly developed creative control and a willingness to take risks, resulting in outcomes that are both technically strong and artistically rich. Overall, this is a mature and consistent response to the theme, with strong editing, creative independence, and a clear artistic voice throughout.